Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Okay. Hello, Kiandra. Kuku. Good morning, Kuku. Please open your camera. Please open your camera. Okay, very good. Corinne, where is Corinne? Open your camera, please. Okay. Are you okay for today? Are you feeling well?
Yes,
Yeah.
I am.
Okay, thank you. I hope you are feeling well and stay safe during pandemic, right? And then I suggest you it's better to do your activity at home. Okay. Yeah. All right, class. Is everyone here? Who absent today? Haven't come yet?
Yes.
How many percent? 3%.
Yes.
3% haven't come yet. Okay, haven't come yet. So I asked for Cahya Asni. If your friend come to the group, so you have to admit your friend, right? Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right, be quiet, please. Let's have a moment of silence. And Zaidan, where is Zaidan? Okay, Zaidan, I ask you, please lead your friend to pray before we begin our activity today. Yes, please, Zaidan.
Before we start the study today, we better pray. Pray, begin. Finish. Greeting to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, and Zaidan and all of my students. Okay, before we start the lesson, let me know what we have learned last meeting. Okay, who still remember? Recount text. Okay, what we have learned. The first, we have learned about Kera. The first we have learned about social function of recount text. Okay, what is the social function of recount text? Corinne. Where is Corinne?
To retell about past tense.
About past tense. About our past experiences. Okay, yes. How about the generic structure? Who still remember?
Orientation.
Thank you, Zidane. Orientation, and then what else? Event. And then the last is reorientation. Okay, and then I wanna ask Destiana. Okay, Destiana, how about the language feature which is used in recount text? Destiana. 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 Cahya. Okay, Cahya. How about Cahya? Penggunaan bahasa apa saja yang kita gunakan pada recount text? Do you still remember? The first we use
past tense.
Simple past tense. And then the second we have to use
simple past tense.
And then
chronological
connection. Okay, or conjunction. And then what else? Kuku?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Adverbial or adverb. Adverbial phrase or adverb. And then the last, I, my mother, my family. What is that?
Subject.
Personal.
Oh, personal.
Personal pronoun. Okay, personal pronoun or personal participant. Okay, thank you. And then let's now we'd like study about. Okay, yeah, I will give you. Okay, wait a minute, please. What we have to study for today. Okay. Nah, is it clear enough for you?
Yes.
Yeah. The last meeting, we have already studied about the social function, the generic structure, and then the language feature which is used. Now, today, we'd like to study about, nah, this is menemukan ide pokok. How do you say in English? Finding main idea or important information from the text of recount text. And then the second, we'd like to learn about retell story or rearrange story of recount text based on the information taken. Okay.
Okay.
So today we'd like to study both of them. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. How about another? Are you ready to study?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now, before that, I would like to give you, okay, the text. Okay. I would like to give you the text. Is it clear enough? Hello?
Yes.
Everybody
Yes.
can see?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. Now, what is the title of the recount text here?
Crime.
Crime.
Okay, what is the crime?
Criminal.
Kriminal, kejahatan, and so on.
Bad action.
Yes. Okay, we read. I want to ask someone, and after that, we'd like to find the main idea from this text, okay? And after that, after you have read this text, and we'd like to try to rearrange, and you have to retell the story based on the information which is taken from the text. Jadi pertama nanti kita akan membaca teks ini dulu. Setelah itu kita cari nih informasi penting apa saja dari teks tersebut. After that, we'd like to make retell. Okay, is it clear enough? Or any question? Sudah jelas?
Yes, it's clear.
Is clear enough? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I wanna ask someone to read it. Kuku. Can you help me to read paragraph 1? Hello, Kuku. Where is Kuku? Yeah.
I was just 10 years old when I witnessed my first crime. I was in the bank lining up for the counter with my mother when it all happened.
Okay, thank you. And then the next, Falhevi. The second paragraph.
A man entered bank dressed entirely in black. He had black shoes and black turtleneck jumper and black ski masks with holes cut in the eyes. He looked like the criminal in the movies.
I immediately knew something
was wrong looking at him.
Okay, thank you. Next, Cahya. Cahya, please read third paragraph. Okay, Cahya.
He pulled a weapon out of his big ran up the tailor at the counter. Everyone in the bank started to scream and run
Run around and run around. And then next?
In the craziness, my mother and I got knocked to the ground. I was so scared and I could feel my whole body was shaking.
Okay, my whole body was shaking. Thank you. And then next, Dian, where is Dian? Dian, please read the next paragraph.
The man was screaming at the lady and telling her to put all money into his bag. I felt so worried for her. I wanted to help, but I felt completely hopeless. The lady kept shoving all the money from her till into the man's bag. She was so brave.
Okay, the lady kept shoving all the money from her till into the man's bag. She was so brave. Okay, next. The last, Kiandra. Kiandra? Yes, please.
My mother and I were hiding behind a bench in the corner of the bank, and we could see everything that was happening just as the lady was putting the last note in the bag. My mother and I heard sirens approaching it.
Okay.
When approaching police officer came out nowhere and crashed through. So the doors of the bank, I could not believe we had just witness of crime firsthand, and I was very thankful when the war was over.
Okay, nah ya tadi ada koreksinya di mana? Which one? Putting. Okay, my mother and I were hiding behind the bench in the corner of the bank, and we could see everything that was happening. Just as the lady was putting the last notes in the bag, my mother and I heard sirens approaching. Police officer came out of the no here and the crash through the doors of the bank. I couldn't believe we had just witnessed a crime. Okay, firsthand. And I was very thankful when the call was over. Okay, now after this one, I would like you please retell the story. But first we have to know, we have to we have to know about the information each paragraph. Ya, kita harus tahu dulu nih, kalau mau membuat retell story, yang harus kita lakukan adalah yang pertama kita harus mencari informasi dari from each paragraph. For example, number one. Okay, number one. What we have to know from the first paragraph? Okay. Masih bingung ya? The main idea from the first paragraph. And then the second paragraph, the third, the fourth, and the last. Okay. Who can show the main paragraph?
I was just 10 years old.
I was just 10 years old. And then what else? Main paragraph maksudnya adalah ide dari sebuah paragraf, ya. Ide dari sebuah paragraf. Jadi paragraf ini tuh menceritakan tentang apa? Oke, seperti itu. What? I was just 10 years old. Is it right? Nah, ini kan ada ini. Okay, when I witnessed my first crime. So it is the main paragraph. But I would like to give you the simple thing to find the main paragraph, ya. Oke, saya akan memberikan hal yang simple bagaimana cara menemukan paragrafnya. Oke, yes. Okay, the first that we have to find the simple to find about some information from the text. The first we have to know about the generic structure. Okay, the generic structure, the text which is we will find. Okay, and then the second we have to know about 5W1H atau 5W1H. Ya kan? If you want to looking for about the information, sometimes we have to know about 5W1H. Kalau di bahasa Indonesia namanya adik Simba ya. Oke ya. And then the last we have to make a keyword. Jadi kita harus take a keyword. Keyword itu apa sih? Kayak berarti apa sih keyword?
Kata kunci.
Kata kuncinya. Itu apa? Oke. What for? Oke, keywords. Biasanya untuk apa sih? What the function of keyword? Ya, misalnya ada sebuah teks nih. Ya, text. Is there any text? And then the first we have to looking for about we have to know about the generic structure of the text. Okay, generic structure. What is the text? The text is about recount text. So we have to know the generic structure of the recount text is apa?
Orientation.
And then
reorientation.
And then reorientation. Good. The point that we have to know about the generic structure. Oke ya. Jadi poin pertama adalah kita harus tahu generic structure. And then the second, what we have to know. Okay. What we have to know about the apa tadi? 5W1H. Oke ya. Nah, 5W1H. Apa aja?
Who,
when. Yes. Who, where, when, what. And then 1H? How. Okay, how. But the characteristic of recount text, the first is orientation, event, and reorientation. Nah, and we have to know what is the orientation. Orientation will tell about what, okay, what is the experiences, and then who, okay, who someone on there, and then third, where the experiences happen, and then the last, when. Yeah. Nah ini, why we have to know first about the generic structure. First is, for example, like this, the title. What is the title is? Tadi title-nya about apa sih? Crime. So you have to put here on the center. The title is crime. And then the second is? Orientation. And then what you have to tell on the orientation? Okay, so yeah. The first sebenarnya ini what ya. What is the first? What? Ya tadi what the experiences, who are there, and then who were there, sorry, where is where the experiences happen, and then when the experiences happen. Okay, is it clear enough? Before we come forward to another, okay, if it's clear, so we have to move. The second is event. Okay, event here is tell about how it happened. Yeah, the first is you have to tell about event 1, event 2, and then the event 3. Yes, maybe if there any event again, so you have to add the information behind information there. For example, event 4, and etc. Okay, yeah. And then what you have to tell on the event, what you have to take the information. Okay, for example, this one. Nah, this one. Okay, we back again.
You tell about chronology.
Okay, so you have to take the main idea and the information from the event. Which one the event from the crime text? Coba yang mana?
Man.
A man entered
the
the bank. Okay, very good. So what is the point? The point of the second paragraph.
A man entered the bank dressed entirely in black.
Okay, the man entered the bank dressed entirely in the black. Okay, good. So you have to put the keyword on the event. The first event is the man enter the bank. Okay, and then how about, nah, nih, so on the even one, so you have to put
the man.
The man
entered bank.
Very good. And then you may add the next information after even one. Nah, ini kalian boleh menambahkan informasi lagi. Nah, di sini nih. Nah, terserah. Kamu mau nambahkannya apa information? What is the information which is important to make it? Maybe he had the black shoes. Now, what is this? He had black shoes, a black turtleneck jumper. What is the information?
What he wear?
Okay, so about the, what is this?
Outfit.
And yeah, so you may get the information about the outfit. Nah, ini kan main menu, pokok pikirannya di sini ya, awalnya a man enter the bank. Nah, the second sentence is tell about more information related to the man enter the bank dressed entirely in the black. In black. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And then for the second event.
He put a weapon out.
Nah, here. What? The information? What is the main idea?
He put a weapon
out of his bag
and ran up to the teller.
Okay, he put a weapon out of his bag, ran up to the teller at the counter. Okay, this is the second of my idea.
Idea.
Yes, this is the sample. And I would like you, after this one, you have to make like this. Okay, yeah? So the first is about the title here. And then orientation. What is the first paragraph tell about? And after that, the next is additional information. Ya, jadi main idea itu adalah jadi pada paragraf itu menceritakan tentang apa sih? Nah, ya, itu adalah main idea-nya. And then the next sentence is tell about the additional information, like this one, ya. Okay, so I will give. I have already give you example, and after this one, you have to make. You have to find the main idea. Oke ya. Jadi nanti sudah saya beri contoh, kalian cari ya. Tadi yang pertama harus apa dulu? Yang pertama, we have to know about the generic structure. Nah, itu yang lebih paling mudah. It's very simple. You have to know about the generic structure. For example, from orientation, you have to know what are what the orientation is telling about. Tadi tentang apa tadi? 5W 1H. So orientation tell about about
5W.
Tell about
introduction of character.
Introduction of character. Who, place-nya, where the place, and then time when, and then event, and then Okay, event is tell about the story and then last is orientation. Okay, nah ini sama ya. Nah ini recount text. Nah ya, nah ini title recount text. Tell the reader. Nih tell the reader apa nih, Say?
Exactly what text.
Okay,
will
what
be
the
about.
text will tell about, and then orientation or introduction. Nah, jadi orientation ini juga bisa disebut juga introduction, ya. Kalau mungkin nanti kamu menemukan, if you maybe sometime you find on the text and there is no orientation, is there any introduction? So it has a same function. Orientation is same is introduction, and then this is orientation or introduction, tell about this, and then retell the event, and then the last is reorientation or conclusion and personal comment. Okay. Ibu, mohon maaf. Okay, next. Nah, ini tell about the language feature. Why we have to tell about the language feature? After you get the point, nah ya, after you get the point, you have to, nah, after you get the point, which one is title, which one is orientation, which one event, and which one is reorientation, you have to make the simple paragraph related to the information you have already taken from the text. Paham nggak? Paham nggak? Jadi apa yang harus dilakukan tadi? Pertama, kita harus ngapain dulu? Untuk menemukan
generic structure.
Oke. Menemukan main idea.
Idea.
Grace?
Additional.
Yes.
Okay, Grace. What we have to do first?
Mengetahui five who, where, when, what.
Okay, from the generic structure. Okay, from the generic structure. So the first we have to know about the generic structure. The second we have to find the 5W1H from the text. And then what else? We have to make a keyword. Now, why we have to make a keyword?
To make it simple.
Make it simple, good. And then what else? To help you recall the information. For example, tadi ya di sini ya, the title is crime. Nah, ini yang paling mudah, it is very simple. You have to using, you may using mind mapping. It is one of the technique to make a note. What you find information from the text, so you have to use your mind mapping or peta konsep. Jadi ini adalah teknik untuk mempermudahkan kalian untuk membuat catatan, ya, salah satunya dengan mind mapping. Nah, ini seperti ini. Pertama, you have to take note the title, for example, tadi crime and orientation, what is information, so you have to write down here, and then event, and then reorientation. After that, you have to make a simple sentence. For example, tadi misalnya, I go to, misalnya last holiday, ya tadi ya, for example, last holiday. Orientationnya, misalnya di sini kan, went to the zoo yesterday. My family and I went to the zoo. Nah, seperti ini ya. Oke, went to the zoo. Oke, so tadi berarti di sini main idenya yang mana? Berarti
my family and I went to the zoo.
Okay, and then the second, what is orientation? Oh, tadi ya. Ini kan who-nya siapa? My family and I. Jadi di sini ditulisnya who-nya adalah my family and I. Terus and then where?
Zoo.
Zoo. Okay. Where? Berarti I went to the zoo. Ya kan misalnya zoo. Nah, dari kata zoo aja. Oke, only keyword ya. Karena tadi keyword ya. First, and then my family and I. Where-nya zoo. And then when?
Yesterday.
Okay, yesterday. And then when is yesterday? And then what? How about what? My last holiday, for example, ya. Jadi kegiatannya seperti itu. After that, nah itu tadi after the keyword, so you have to rearrange into the sentence. Setelah itu kamu buat simple sentence. Yang tadi, siapa namanya tadi? Simple sentence tadi yang pertama adalah my family and I. Nah, kamu buat rangkai menjadi sebuah kalimat. Gimana caranya? Using what you have to know, using past tense, and then what else? Using adverbial, and then using action verb, ya, when, stay, and then using conjunction or chronological connection. Tadi, for example, I. Oke, siapa yang bisa kasih contoh? Sultan, can you give example? Sultan, sorry, Fahlevi Sultan. Sultan ya, Fahlevi. Misalnya, my family and I went to the zoo. And then where?
At zoo.
Zoo. Okay, zoo kan. Jadi I went to the zoo. And then when?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yeah, okay. So what? My holiday, for example. So you have to arrange into the simple paragraph. Dari tadi, yang tadi simple sentence, so you have to arrange. Yang mana ya yang lebih bagus duluannya? Berarti kan yang mana dulu? Sample.
Where?
Where? Jadi what? Last holiday, yesterday, I went to the zoo with my family. Nah, bisa kayak gitu kan. Nah, nanti kamu buat rangkai yang tadi kalimat-kalimat itu menjadi sebuah paragraf. Oke, eventnya juga seperti itu ya. Tadi misalnya, for example, went to the zoo. Jadi, when we go to the zoo, we went to the shop buy for the food for animal. Nah, yang pertama yang dilakukan adalah apa?
We went to the shop to buy
some food. And then the next is we went to arrive on the
elephant.
Ya.
Elephant.
Okay. Yes. Nah, ini adalah how to make a mind mapping. Nah, you may choose one of the application. The first Iowa, the second is Mind Map, Mindomo, Kogel juga bisa, Kogel and then MindMaster. Nah, how about you? I already taught you.
I'm use Mindomo.
Mindomo because
Itu.
it's very easy, I think. Have you already installed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I am.
Yeah. After that, before we go to the task, is it clear for you? Or any question before we move to the task? Ada yang mau ditanyakan?
No.
No?
Nope.
Is it clear enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear enough? I forget to tell about the rule of the class today. The first, jadi yang akan kita lakukan hari ini, what we have to do for today, the first, we have to find the main idea. I will give you text. And after that, you finding the main idea. And then the second, after you finding the information, you have to make a simple mind mapping by Mindomo. Okay, and you have already installed. And after that, you have to rearrange what the information into a simple paragraph. Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Is it clear? Nah ya, tadi the first discussion below and apply in the story mind mapping. Okay, if you are ready, I will give you a task and I will send into, nah ya. Okay, wait please. Okay, nah this is This is the LKPD you have to complete. Nah ini LKPD-nya you have do individually, but you have to discuss to find the main idea and to make mind mapping ya. Okay, mind mapping ya by group. But you have to read first and then you find the mind idea. You have to make a simple mind mapping, discuss with your group, and after that you have to back to the mind room and you have to rearrange the story on your own language. Jadi setelah discuss and you have to back to the main room and you have to finish, you have to rearrange the story in your own language. Jadi yang tadi yang keyword-keyword itu kamu buat dalam bentuk sebuah paragraf. Which one orientation, which one event, and then which one reorientation. After that, you have to present one by one related to the mind mapping and also about the storytelling or rearrange story. Any question?
Miss.
Yes.
Kita tulis ininya yang di orientation ini yang tulis pakai bahasa kita sendiri, diketik atau ditulis di kertas saja, Bu?
If you have any time, so you have to type on the LKPD. I search you. If there is no time, so you have to write on your paper. And after you have finished, after we have finished the class, you have to resubmit using the LKPD. It's dependent on you. I only give you 10 minutes to discuss because I think it's only the simple sentence. The first to discuss about this one, I think 10 minutes. And after this one, this is 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay, so the total is 20
okay?
minutes?
Yeah, okay, the total is 20 minutes. Any question? Any question? If there is no question, may I stop share? Boleh Ibu stop share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. I already share on the WhatsApp group. Have you got?
Yes.
Okay, already. Yes. And now I will take you into group.
Ready.
Saya masukkan kalian ke grup ya. Hello. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay,
yes,
yeah.
We are ready.
In this section, you have to find your member of the group by yourself. So I don't want. So you have to choose which one your group related to the last meeting. For example, Zaidan first group, so you have to choose first group, and then Spalhevi third group, so you have to choose room 3. Okay, understand? Okay,
yes.
Clear enough.
Understand.
Yes. Let you choose. Okay.
Ya, satu.
Halo.
Iya. Halo Bu,
Okay,
Bu, saya mau share screen.
Yes.
Saya mau share screen tapi only host.
Only host? Only host.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
May you?
After this one, I make you as a co-host. Okay?
No, but I want to share screen, but I'm not allowed to share screen because I'm not
okay,
the
okay,
host.
okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
How come? How about Nader?
Bisa share screen nggak?
Okay, it should, you have to shoot back to the main. Okay. Share. Ya, wait. Saya back to the main room. Okay, wait. Oke, sambil menunggu, boleh yang lain dulu ya. Let you discuss. Because I still find about the multiple.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, why are you so silent? Why are you so silent?
Miss, koneksi saya dari tadi buruk.
Okay, Kuku? Is there any problem? Is there any difficulties you find related to mind mapping?
No.
Okay, how about Destiana? If you already make a note, make a mind mapping. Have you already made mind mapping? Hello?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, and then who will present for your mind mapping here? May I have your result of discussion? Hello.
Yes, Miss.
Already finished?
Yes, I have finished.
How about another? Why you not discussing?
Yeah.
Okay, why
yes,
you
miss.
you don't make discussion in this group?
We discussion in WA.
Oh my God. I have already made you breakout room. So you have to discuss it actively, okay?
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what the function if I made this this room if you discuss on your WhatsApp group? Okay, yeah? It is a function to share about your opinion and another. Okay, so you have to discuss each other. Okay, I would like to go another group, right? See you. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, how about this group? Hello. Already discussed. May I know your mind mapping?
Gak kedengeran nih, suaranya patah-patah.
Gak kedengeran? How about another?
Iya.
Helga? Helga, open your camera please. Helga? Okay. Have you discussed about mind mapping? Hello?
Halo, Miss.
Okay, is there any problem
No.
about finding the mind idea and you have to make a keyword each generic structure and then make a keyword each information you are taken? Not yet?
No.
May I know about your result? Hello? Okay, I will go another. Maybe you are so silly, so shy if I in this group, okay? After this one, 5 minutes left and you have to return to your group, your main room, okay? Bye, see you. Oh.
Oke, siapa tuh? Oh, Miss.
Okay, have you finished?
Yes. Insyaallah.
Is there any problem related to the finding mind idea, maybe about the keyword? No?
No, hanya takut salah.
Okay, hanya takut salah. Don't afraid to make a mistake, right? Okay. Yeah. Let's back to the main room. I think if you already finished. Okay ya, kita balik ke main room aja ya. Okay, thank you. See you.
Kembali.
Okay, Zaidan.
Yes, Miss.
Ini baru bisa nih kalau di the main menu. I will make you a co-host, right?
Okay.
Coba. So you may share your screen. So in the the breakout room, it cannot use because I don't know. So maybe we have to move to the main room first.
Tolonglah. Yes.
Okay. Yes, how about another already complete?
Insyaallah.
Okay, inshallah. Yeah. Are you ready to present?
Yes, I'm ready.
But the presenting the result after you make rearrange. You have to make retell the story from the information. After that, after finish, all of you have to present it. to us. And I will give chance for the 3% who will able to present for today, and we'll give you extra point. Oke ya. Jadi presentasinya nanti individually, because after you have discussed and make a mind map, and you have to rearrange into the good paragraph. Oke ya?
Oke.
Oke.
Sorry, ma'am. A minute.
Yes? What happened? Okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You have permission to go back. Okay, yes, please. After this one, you have to rearrange into good paragraph. Okay? Into good recount text paragraph. Are you ready? Is it clear enough, my voice? Okay, yeah. I will give you 5 minutes. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Is it okay if I only give you 5 minutes?
It's okay. For each one?
Huh?
For each student?
No. So after you discuss and back to the room, and you have to rearrange the information you have discussed. Yeah, the result of discussion you have to arrange into the good paragraph. Okay. Bisa?
Bisa.
Bisa. Tapi sebelumnya saya minta satu deh. Who will give sample? Who will give present the sample of mind mapping you have discussed? Coba tadi.
Di-share gitu.
Oke, boleh. Coba Ibu minta satu aja ya, sampel ya. And then the other please make a note. You have to rearrange and then I will ask maybe one by one. Oke, for example Zaidan.
Bu, ini yang presentasi pakai bahasa sendiri itu bukan?
Bukan, ini yang itu. Yang apa namanya tadi? Mind mapping. It's only the mind mapping. Ya. Coba, let me know. Oke, belum. Coba mungkin sambil kalian menulis, mengerjakan. How? Okay, orientation. I, mother, police teller, and then the chief. Okay, yes, good. And then next, they were in the bank. Very good. When she or he was, apa ini tadi say? Can you read?
10 years old. Oh, ini.
Oh.
When
it happened. Okay.
Yes.
And then what? And then the others?
What? Bank.
Okay, very good.
Bank.
After this one, you have to rearrange into good paragraph on the orientation. Ya, setelah ini kamu buat menjadi paragraf yang bagus ya. You have to make a good paragraph related to the orientation. Okay, and then next, event. You have already met here. Wow.
It's so sangat panjang.
Okay, it's okay. For the next, you have to only the keyword. For example, a man. Yeah, maybe only a sentence, right? A man entered the bank. It is a point, and after this, you remind what happened with the man entered the bank. So you have to tell about the physical appearance, right? Tadi kan menggunakan apa tadi ya? The man, he had a black shoes, turtleneck jumper, and sky, apa ini? And sky mask. I use the mask. Okay, what else? Yeah, for the next, I think. Okay, and then he pulled the weapon, Sam. And then the other, what you have to give additional information after he pulled the weapon off his back and ran around the teller. And then the man was screaming at the lady and telling to her. Okay, good. Next. Go next.
Reorientation.
Okay, reorientation about the someone impression, right? So the writer impression that the police officer came out, and after that, he or she because we tell about another someone experience. So I should change into or C or the writer. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Yes, you have to revise again. Yeah, she or he very thankful. Yeah, okay. Yes, very good. Give applause for the Zaidan and the group. Yeah. And then another, you have to make a note. You have to rearrange, right? What time is it? Okay. Is it
berarti 9? Tadi yang saya salah.
Apa? Pardon? Pardon, Zaidan? You sing English, please.
So the word that I have wrong in my mind mapping, may I change it?
Okay, you may change it maybe after this class. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, if you have any time, you may change it. It's okay. If there is no time, you may change it after this class because I will give you time until 5 p.m. maybe. Is it okay if give you 5 p.m.? Okay. Yes. Please, let's continue to make your rearranging the recount text from the from the writer experiences. Okay, how about another? Maybe will you share to me? Will you share us about, ma'am? We have already finished this class, and then this is the result of the mind mapping. We'll try.
With our language.
No, tadi kan sekarang kalian sudah harus membuat kalimatnya sendiri-sendiri. Tadi Ibu mau tahu yang kelompok lain yang sudah buat mind mappingnya gitu, sudah benar atau tidak gitu kan, Bu? Saya beda nih, I have a different idea, ma'am. This is mind mapping. We have already discussed. Okay, maybe the second group, the group 2. Kuku, have you? How about the mind mapping of your group?
I will share it.
Ya, kalau untuk yang lain silakan lanjutkan lagi ya. For the another, please continue your rearrange story, and then I ask you for the Kuku. I ask to Kuku, maybe you listen to present your mind mapping, your idea. Wow, good. Can you tell us about your mind mapping?
The first one,
the first one,
I want to tell you about the orientation. The orientation tells us about what happened, who was the character at the story, where the place, and when it was happening. And at the event, we make a short keywords from the text, and the reorientation. We make the important information from.
Okay, event is a man entered the bank. Good. He pulled the weapon and ran up to the teller. So it is the information you catch from the text. Is it right? Ya, jadi kalau mind mapping seperti itu ya. Jadi mind mapping itu adalah menuliskan. You have to take a note. Some important information from the text. Okay, very good. I think it's already you have already do your best, Kuku and your group. The first is crime. Oh, already stop share. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. How about another? Hello, everybody open your camera please. Oke, semuanya tolong buka kameranya ya, sayang ya. Oke. What happened with you? Okay, already finished? Maybe how about another group would present your mind mapping? Maybe, ma'am, I have a different mind mapping. My mapping is very colorful, and I have simple keywords. Maybe, no?
No, maybe.
Okay, yeah. How about your telling story? Your retelling story, your rearranging story, have you finished?
With our language?
Yes, with your language.
I have. Miss, I have a question.
Yes, Jaydan. What happened?
So when we retell the story with our languages, we use I or she.
How about another? It's a good question. What we have to use the personal participant. It is I or she or the another.
I'm using I.
I. Okay, how about another? Kuku, Fahlevi, Destiana, Cahya, Grace, I.
I use I.
Is it your experience? You only retell.
Oh. So we use second subject.
Okay, second subject. What is the second subject? Second subject. Second subject is you.
Second person.
Second person, you. I and you. I is the first person, and then the second is you is the second person, and then the third person is she or he. So what we have to use?
Okay.
So we have to use.
Third.
The third person. Oh, yeah, is you may use she or he. Okay, because we don't know
it depends
the writer.
On our...
Because we don't know the writers, is it female or male? So it depends to you. But you have to according to, because we retell the story is someone experiences. So we have to use the third personal pronoun. Okay? Understand?
Okay.
Yeah, time is up. I think time is up because we have to present and make conclusion. After make conclusion, before make conclusion, I have one activity again. I have a quiz that you have to do, and you have to do your best. But if have still enough time, okay? Kalau masih ada waktu ya. Yeah, okay. Have you finished? Already finished?
I have finished.
Okay. How about another?
Yes, I.
Yeah, thank you. Kuku already. How about Kiandra? Kiandra? Tiara?
Yeah,
Grace? Dian? Yeah, you have to be ready to present, okay? Yeah, I will give you 3% to present it. But if you have already prepared by yourself, maybe ma'am, I would like to present it. Okay, tapi nggak banyak-banyak ya because time. And then after this one, you have to submit your task on. I have given already share link to you, and you have to submit to the link. Oke ya, saya udah kasih linknya, link Google Drive yang jadi nanti kalian harus save di situ ya. Oke ya. And don't forget the limited of the submission of your task only until 5 p.m. Okay?
Okay, man.
Yeah. Who are you ready to present? Maybe.
Yes.
Who will the first?
Me.
Yeah. Me. Yes, Zaidan. Share yours.
Should I share it?
Yes, because it is the written.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and maybe you may communicate using speaking, but I have to know about your sentences.
Okay, man.
Soalnya kita kan belajar menulis ya. I would like to know about the use of the language feature, the past tense, conjunction, adverbial, and so on.
Okay.
Okay, the main domo.
I haven't changed it.
Ah, very good.
But I already write it on my book.
Oh, you haven't changed it. I heard that you have already changed. Okay, it's okay. Maybe after this class you have to change. Yeah.
Yeah.
Zaidan.
Yeah. Oh no. Okay. So today I'm gonna retell the story Crime. She had a terrible
Zaidan, wait a moment please.
Yes.
Where's your composition? Okay. Karangannya mana tadi?
What?
Yeah. After you make your mind mapping, you have to write down into the good paragraph. Which one? Your paragraph?
Sorry, miss, but I cannot open it.
Oh, you cannot open it. Okay.
Yes, let me prove you.
Yeah. You only
yeah, I'm only write it on the
speaking.
Paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, on the paper. It's okay.
Yeah, may I?
Yeah, you may. You
wait,
may take a capture and then present it.
Look, I cannot.
Okay, yes. So you have to present by speaking.
Okay.
Speaking, okay. For another, you have to prepare.
Okay. She had terrible experiences when she was 10 years old. She went to the bank with her mother and something bad happened. There is a theft at the bank. First, there is a man entered the bank with suspicious clothes. He wore black mask, black t-shirt, black shoes, everything is black. She already suspected that he was a robber. And sure enough, he pulled out a weapon out of his bag, ran up to the teller at the counter. She was so scared. She went to the corner of the bank with her mom, and she was so shaking. The man was screaming at the lady, this is a robbery, put the money in the bag. She felt so worried for her. The lady kept shoving the money from her till into the man's bag. And out of nowhere, the police officers came out to secure the robber. She was very thankful and grateful when the whole was over. Thank you.
Okay, good. Give applause to the Zaidan. Thank you, Zaidan. How about another? Coba Ibu tanya yang lain ya. How about another? Is it same with the previous text? Sama nggak?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Zaidan already present for another sentence, and then you have already present with your own word, and you make a good improvisation, right? Okay, good. Thank you. Good job and excellent. How about another? Thank you, Zaidan. Okay, how about another?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. How about
I want to
another?
try.
Who will try? Siapa tadi?
Dian.
Okay, Dian. Dian, okay, Dian. Yes, Dian.
Wait a minute, I will share screen.
Jadi ada satu orang lagi ya nanti ya after Dian, so I will give time.
Boleh nggak misalnya yang
Oh, Kuku mau nanti. Oke, yes. After this one is Kuku. Yes, Dian. Yeah, please, Dian.
I think share screen, tapi aku boleh baca lewat tab.
Okay, yeah. Don't forget to submit, resubmit until 5 p.m. Okay. Ayo, Dian. Yes, please.
When he was 10 years old, he witnessed his first crime with her mother in the bank. A man entered the bank dressed entirely in black. He had shoes,
okay. Yes,
a black turtleneck jumper, and black ski mask with holes in the eyes. He looked like the thief. The man pulled a weapon out of his bag, ran up to the teller at the counter. The man was screaming at the lady and telling her to put all the money into his bag. Then finally the police officers came out and ordered the thief. He was very thankful when the holding was over.
Okay, thank you. Is there same sentence with the previous text? How about another? Enggak ya? It's different. Okay, thank you, Dian. So I will give you correction. Dressed. And then what else? Apalagi tadi ada kata-kata yang apa? Counter. And then dressed tadi ya, Ibu dengar ya. Okay, thank you, Dian. Thank you for your effort. I really appreciate to you. Very good. And then don't forget you have to apa ya? Resubmit again, okay? For another, don't forget. Okay. Yes, next. The last presenter is Kuku.
I am Miss.
Yeah. Kuku.
I'm not yet to write it into a document that I will speak it from.
Okay, but you don't. You have to submit after this class, right? Okay. Yes. Please.
I'm sorry if there are some loud voice because the front of my house has some voice.
Okay, it's okay, Kuku. It doesn't matter.
Okay. When the writer was 10 years old, he and his mother had terrible experience. They met a robber at the bank. Theft of the bank was happened by a robber. A man entered the bank. He has some descriptions. He wore black shoes, a black turtleneck shirt, and black ski mask with holes cut in the eyes. He put the weapon off from his bag and ran up to the teller at the counter. The robber was screaming at the lady and told her to give him all her money and put it into his bag. At last, the writer and his mother heard sirens approaching. Some police officers came out and crashed through the doors of the bank, and the robber was captured by the police. The writer was very thankful when the whole was over.
Okay, thank you, Kuku. So great. Yeah, how about another? Any opinion to the Kuku story? Kuku retail story. Okay, very good. How about another? Okay, yeah, thank you. You have already do your best. I think maybe for another haven't time to present it. Don't forget, you have to submit your task, the second task, and also you have to submit your mind mapping already discussed, and also about your retelling, rearrange from the information you have taken. Okay, yes. How about another? Any question before we close the class?
Miss.
Because, yeah, maybe.
Itu nanti submitnya di yang drive. Gitu.
Yeah. I already sent to you the drive, and you have to put your upload your task into my drive. Okay, yeah. I think all of you have already understand. Who haven't finished yet? Siapa yang belum selesai? Who haven't finished yet to do your task today? Huh? I think it's almost over. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. I think maybe for the quiz, for the next meeting, I really promise to you, inshallah. But for today, before we close the section today, let's review the material for today. Who will make a review? Who will review the material for today, what we learned for today, what the material and what the information you have gotten from our learning activity for today. Siapa yang bisa mau kasih review? Hari ini kita belajar apa? Oke. Sorry ya, jadi quiznya for the next meeting because the time is almost over. 2 minutes left. Oke. Yes, siapa yang bisa? Oke. Corinne, please help me to make a review. Please help me to review our material today. What we have learned today?
We learn about generic structure and language features.
Language feature. And then what else? Finding about the main idea. How to finding the main idea. What we have to consider? The first, we have to know about the generic structure. How about another? Okay, please give your information. Yang lain, tolong. Okay, help me. Apa aja tadi yang kita diskusikan? What we have already learned. The first, we have to finding about the main idea. The first, we have to consider generic structure. The generic structure of the recount text are
orientation,
event, and reorientation. And what we have to tell on the orientation? So we have to know about 5W. Okay, yes. Find the information. We have to know about the 5WH, 1H, yeah. WH. First, on orientation, we have to know about apa? What else? Who. What? Who, and then?
What,
where, when. Okay.
How.
What, who, when, where, and then how about how? How on the event. Ya, how itu biasanya kan ngapain aja sih, ya kan? Bagaimana sih caranya, apa experience saya itu bagaimana sih terjadi, ya kan? So you have to explain on the event. Okay, event, yeah, and then event you have to know about the event 1, event 2, event 3. So you have to take the point. Usually at the first sentence, biasanya ada di kalimat pertama. Ya kan ya, bisa di kalimat pertama dan bisa juga kalimat terakhir. Kalau yang pertama itu, okay, next, next, the last is reorient. Oke ya, jadi we have to know about the generic structure. Apalagi yang kedua tadi 5W H. And then the last we studied about mind
mapping.
Mind mapping. Okay. Yes. Masih bisa kali ya, mungkin ya. Oke, mungkin untuk yang for the quiz we'd like to continue for the next meeting. Oke, atau Ibu Vera? Halo, assalamualaikum. Okay.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes. I think it's enough for today.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Everybody, thank you for today. Thank you for attend for today, and you have already present and participant in my class, and I really appreciate to you. And then you have to stay healthy and stay at home during pandemic. Okay, before we go home, before we close our material today, don't forget you have to submit your task. I will waiting for you until 5 p.m. Okay, any question before we left? No? Is it clear?
No.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Sebelumnya Ibu nanti foto dulu ya. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semoga